Welcome in, everybody. Thanks for watching. Glad to have you. Today we're going to go over every cruise ship currently homeported in Port Canaveral. We live stream from Port Canaveral every weekend with the cruise fam, watching the cruise ship sailaways. Would love to have you join us. In this video, we're going to go over each and every one currently January 2026 homeported in Port Canaveral. Thanks for watching once again. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you live every weekend in Port Canaveral. First up is Star of the Seas Royal Caribbean Cruise Line's Icon Class, the second Icon Class ship. It's LNG powered, water park loaded, and one of the world's largest cruise ships sailing right now. She can hold 5,600 guests, built in 2025, and its itinerary currently is 7-night Eastern and Western Caribbean plus Coco Cay cruises. An absolute mega ship. We also have in Port Canaveral Utopia of the Seas. Can hold 5,660 guests, built in 2024. Its itinerary currently is 3- and 4-night Bahamas cruises to Perfect Day at Coco Cay and Nassau. It's Royal Caribbean's newest Oasis class giant, built for short, high-energy Bahamas getaways. We also have from the Voyager class Adventure of the Seas that can hold about 3,800 guests, currently on 6- and 8-night Eastern and Western Caribbean cruises. We also have Explorer of the Seas from the Voyager class that can hold about 3,800 guests, built in 2000. Its typical itinerary is 6- and 8-night Caribbean sailings. Sister ship to Adventure, classic Royal Caribbean cruising with long-haul itineraries. Next up from Carnival Cruise Line's XL class is the Carnival Mardi Gras. It can hold 6,500 passengers, built in 2021, and it typically sells 7-night Eastern and Western Caribbean cruises. And it's Carnival's flagship XL class ship. Next up from the Vista class is Carnival Vista that can hold 3,900 guests, built in 2016. Its typical itinerary is 6- and 8-night Caribbean cruises, the namesake of Vista class, big outdoor spaces and longer Caribbean routes. Next up is Carnival Glory from the Conquest class that can hold 2,980 passengers, built in 2003. 3- and 4-night Bahamas cruises, a Port Canaveral staple, running short, fun Bahama getaways. Also currently sailing in Port Canaveral is Carnival Venezia, the Venice class ship. It can hold about 4,200 guests, built in 2019. It's Carnival Venezia, a Venice-themed ship originally built for Costa, now sailing for Carnival. She's not homeported here, but she makes special visits to Port Canaveral during seasonal deployments. The last one we got in Port Canaveral from Carnival Cruise Line is Carnival Freedom. It's from Conquest class that can hold 2,980 guests, built in 2007, and it's sailing 4- and 5 nights Bahamas and Caribbean cruises. It's a fan favorite mid-sized Carnival ship offering short Caribbean escapes. Up next from MSC Cruise Lines is MSC Grandiosa. It's a Meraviglia Plus class ship. It can hold 6,300 guests, built in 2019. It's on 7-night Caribbean and Ocean Cay cruises. And here comes some horns from her. Next up is the ship we'll be on in 2026, the MSC Seashore from the Seaside EVO class that can hold 5,600 guests, built in 2021, running 7-night Eastern Western Caribbean cruises in Ocean Cay. MSC's Miami-style mega resort ship with huge outdoor decks and Ocean Cay visits. Let's go, cruise fam. The next for Norwegian Cruise Line is Norwegian Prima. We only get to see her sail out in the dark right now because it gets dark early and it leaves at 6 p.m. from Port Canaveral. It's a Prima class ship, can hold 3,100 guests, built in 2022. The first of NCL's new Prima class, modern, upscale, and built for Caribbean cruising. Next up, also from Norwegian Cruise Lines, is the Norwegian Joy from the Breakaway Plus class. She can hold 3,800 guests, built in 2017, doing 7-night Eastern Western Caribbean cruises, a Breakaway Plus ship with go-karts, virtual reality, and big ship entertainment. From Disney Cruise Lines, we have Disney Fantasy, a Dream Class ship that can hold 4,000 guests. Disney's longtime Port Canaveral favorite for week-long Caribbean adventures. And also, she's got cruise horns, everybody. Next up from the Triton class is Disney Wish, Disney's Magic at Sea experience packed with themed dining and family entertainment. Can hold 4,000 guests, built in 2022, and it's a Triton class mega ship. Here we go. And we also have from the Triton class Disney Treasure that can hold 4,000 guests, built in 2024. The newest Disney ship with an adventure theme, sister to the Wish, built for longer voyages, 7-night Eastern and Western Caribbean cruises, and always brings the cruise horns to Port Canaveral as well. One of the newer arrivals to Port Canaveral is Sky Princess from the Royal Class Princess Cruises cruise ship, built in 2019, can hold 3,600 guests. It's Princess Royal Class ship offering elegant, relaxing Caribbean sailings. And the last ship from this amazing lineup of cruise ships in Port Canaveral is Celebrity Apex. It's an Edge class ship, can hold 3,400 guests, built in 2020. It's on 7-night Eastern and Western Caribbean cruises, including ports like St. Martin, San Juan, Tortola, Cozumel, and Grand Cayman, all returning to Port Canaveral for the winter season here. And we just love having her with the magic carpet that you can see there in the orange. My buddy JC went on this cruise ship, said it was amazing. So thanks for watching, everyone. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you live every weekend from Port Canaveral. Here we go.